Okay, we are now focusing on a very unusual cloud formation this afternoon of the 9th of October, year 2010, above the skies of Ballesteros. So this is very strange, no? A very unusual cloud formation being witnessed over the skies of Ballesteros on one afternoon. So it's semicircular, okay? Once again, we notice this unusual cloud formation above the skies of Ballesteros this ninth day of the month of October 2010 in the afternoon.
Ada kok Kabalyas, come on!